Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in Instagram we'll look into the overview of Instagram. What is Instagram? What are some of the statistics that are associated with Instagram? What is Instagram in the first place? Photos and video sharing mobile app. It is basically an app. Unlike other social networking sites like Facebook or a Twitter or LinkedIn, Instagram is a smartphone based mobile app where you share your photos and videos. Individuals can do it, companies can do it. Smartphone based social networking site extensively used and hugely popular. Businesses also use extensively as a marketing tool. Social media is extensively used by a lot of companies, organizations, enterprises, big or small. Similarly, Instagram is also used, leveraged as a marketing tool by companies, by organizations, by enterprises to promote their products, to promote their services, to promote their solutions, to promote their business. And that is what Instagram is all about. Some of the statistics that are associated, please note that these statistics are a few months old and these statistics tell us a big picture about what Instagram is all about and how it is growing. 700 million active users from all over the world. That's a huge number on Instagram. 400 million daily users. Daily they log in and they interact and communicate with each other. 400 million daily users. 4.2 billion likes per day. That is a staggering number. Each day there are at least 4.2 billion likes. 68% of them are female users. That's a huge number. More than half is basically the female users. 80% of the users from outside the US, United States. That is the number of users on Instagram outside the US. 32% of all internet users on Instagram. 32% of all internet users from all over the world are on Instagram. These are some of the statistics that are associated with Instagram. Some of the benefits that the businesses or the organization can achieve from having an account on Instagram. Promote products, services and solutions. Whether you are into a service based company or a product based company or a solutions based company, or you have all three of them in your enterprise or a company, organization, you can promote them, create visibility, increase awareness, interact, communicate, drive traffic, generate leads and get customers. It is being extensively used all over the world. 70.7% US businesses on Instagram. 70.7% of all the businesses, the companies, the organizations, the enterprises are on Instagram. 80% of users follow at least one brand. There are 80% followers, they follow one brand or the other, and that is the power and the reach of Instagram. Generates leads. It helps in generating leads. You create a business account, you optimize your account, you publish high quality content, people will follow you, they will know more about you, they click on the links, they come to a website or a landing page, they look into the services, solution, product that you are selling, and they could potentially become your customers. And this is actually the flow how you can leverage Instagram for your business. Leverage potential and reach customers. You need to identify the customers, follow them, interact with them, communicate with them, promote your business, increase visibility, generate the awareness and get the leads and the customers. And these are some of the immense benefits that Instagram offers for businesses. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is Instagram, the statistics that are associated with Instagram and some of the Instagram marketing benefits. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.